Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go incognito on OkCupid. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OkCupid app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. You'll see this kind of interface after you are logged in. Now, in order to go incognito, you need to go to your profile first. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now in your profile page, you can see this Get OkCupid Premium option. So in order to go incognito on OkCupid, you need to purchase a premium subscription which includes Incognito Mode. So that will allow you to browse profiles without others seeing you unless you like or message them. So you can tap on this option and select the purchase plan that you want. In alternative to that, if you don't want to subscribe for the paid plans, what you can do is head over to your preferred web browser and open the Incognito tab and access the OkCupid website from here. You can log into your account from here, and it will to some extent work as the Incognito mode. So that's it. That's how you can go incognito on OkCupid. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.